Good morning everybody. Today let us make kanji vada. Kanji vadas are very yummy, tasty chatpata vadas which are made with moong dal, and kanji is made with rai in bisleri or filtered water. So let us begin with the process. 1 liter of water, add juice of 2 lemons. Now add little bit of hing powder, rock salt, very little hing powder, then add rock salt, roasted jeera, chaat masala and little bit of jaljeera. Mix up everything and either keep it out in the sun or keep it aside in a nice warm place at least for 24 hours for all the salts and all the masalas to blend together and rise to give its khattapan. Tomorrow my kanji will be ready. Now to make the kanji vadas. For vadas I require moong ki dal, that is yellow dal, bina chilke wali, dhuli hui. Take 1 big cup of moong ki dal, wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for at least 4 hours. Remove all the water from the dal and put this in the mixer jar and add 1 big piece of ginger and some salt and green chilies. Try not to put any water, soak the dal absolutely dry so that there is no water, because we don't want any water in this dal when it is ground. And you can add 1 teaspoon of jeera and 1 teaspoon of salt or less, it's up to you. If you are taking senda namak, then you can use a little more because that is not very salty. Then you add 2 to 3 green chilies as per taste, and you can add ginger piece, a big one. Now grind this to paste. Grind everything but don't make it very fine. Let it be little coarse because that will give a better effect to the vadas. Now remove this and keep it aside. Add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour to this and mix it up with the dal and add little bit of coriander leaves. I have mixed coriander leaves chopped as well as 1 big tablespoon of wheat flour and mixed it up thoroughly. Little spicy. Now I will add the roasted and ground jeera powder, and then I will add rai, that is mustard seeds, which I have ground roughly. Now mix all this up thoroughly and keep it overnight for it to blend with each other. All the masalas and the salt and the rai will blend with water and it will give a very tasty. Beat the atta nicely and try to fill it with air, because the fluffy it gets, the softer the dal vadas will be. Take cooking oil and put it in a pan and heat it up, and then let's start making the vadas. Just lift a little dal like you make pakoras and put it in the oil. Now keep on turning them, they should not burn. Keep the flame medium. नहीं तो क्या होगा, जो outer surface है वो पक जाएगा and the inner one dal will be कच्चा. So it should be evenly done. So keep it on medium flame. I have removed this lot in water. Take some water, filter water in a big bowl and remove the vadas direct into the water. We have to remove all the extra oil and then keep it like this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once all the oil is out of the vadas, the extra one, squeeze the vadas and put them in a separate dish. I have kept the second lot to fry, that also I will add to the water. Squeeze the water, press it like this and squeeze the water and remove it in another bowl. After 10 minutes, The oil seems to have come out of the vadas. Remove it. Squeeze and remove. My kanji is also ready. I had kept it overnight. It's very tasty, nice, khatta, yummy taste. Now let us add these dal vadas to the kanji. You can keep this in the fridge and let them chill and serve as and when required. So my very yummy, very tasty chatpata kanji vada is ready to eat, to serve. Thank you for watching my video. Do let me know how it is. Watch my video till the end and do like, comment and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thanks a lot.